Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article. And as you can see from the title, it says this new California law means driving over 100 miles per hour could lose your license instantly. So let's find out together, right? California is planning to introduce a brand new speeding law, and its introductions could bring severe penalties for offenders. The new pilot program is a joint venture between the DMV and the California Highway Patrol. And those who are caught driving over 100 miles per hour could lose their license instantly. So far, I'm loving it, because if you're driving over 100 miles per hour, you're not only putting yourself but others in danger. And if you're doing that, you should be able to bear the consequences. And removing your driver's license, I think that's 100% right thing to do. California is fed up with the speeders, so the state of California is firmly putting its foot down, and that is because state authorities are some of the busiest in America when it comes to speeding offenses. Since 2010, fatalities and serious injuries related to the speeding and aggressive driving have increased by 52%, according to the California Department of Transportation. And authorities in the Golden State have clearly had enough. It was recently announced that a new pilot program is being introduced throughout the state. The program is called Forwarded Actions for Speeding Tickets. Is a joint effort by the DMV and the California Highway Patrol, also known as the CHP. This program was immediately brought in last week. Looks like all the high-end supercar, huh? So those are the ones that drive really fast. Steve Gordon is the director of the California Department of Motor Vehicle. In an interview with the LA Times, Gordon commented on the program. "We want to take immediate actions against dangerous drivers before their carelessness leads to a deadly crash," Gordon said. "We're being proactive, and together with our CHP partners, we're ready to put the brakes on this reckless behavior." I think this is a good thing to do. Because if people know the consequences of it, the severe consequences, so they might think twice before speeding again. Because I'm pretty sure if you're driving on the highway, the freeway, or even in local use, like on and off, you see people just taking up like really fast. I don't know what they're doing. They're racing, or they're in a hurry, but they're putting other people in jeopardy as well too. So. At this point, you might be wondering if the scale of these offenses can actually be real. But it turns out that the problem is as serious as it sounds. According to the California State Transportation Agency, CHP officer issues around 1,600 citations to drivers speeding at more than 100 miles per hour each month. In 2024 alone, the CHP officer issues 18,000 citations for these offenses. So what does the new pilot program aim to achieve? So under the new programs, all driver caught speeding in excess of 100 miles per hour will automatically have their cases forwarded to the DMV's Driver Safety Branch. The DMV will then have the discretion to review the case and the driver's history and determine next steps. In case you were wondering, the DMV has the power to impose penalties that could include the suspension or revocations of driven privileges. This process also proceeds completely independent of the court-based legal process. A corresponding fine system will also be operated at the same time. So they're going to fine you, and they're going to take away your driving privilege. To me, it makes 100%. It's legal. It's fine. Drivers caught exceeding the speed by 11 to 15 miles per hour will face a $50 fine. I think that's okay. That's fine. Those caught by speeding 15 to 25 miles will receive a $100 fine, while driving more than 26 to 99 miles per hour over the speed limit was up in a $200 fine. If you're still enough to be caught speeding by more than 100 miles per hour, then prepare to fork out $500 fine. The speeding program has been trialed and monitored over the course of the next year. Data and impact will then be considered alongside that from the previous year. It will be fascinating to see what the impact the new speeding program has. So I think I'm for the program. I'm not a speeder, and I don't think anyone should speed. You know, if it takes you a minute or 2 minutes earlier or sooner, it's not going to make a big difference. You're late. You're late. You know, don't rush. Don't speed. You're not only putting yourself, but others in danger as well too. So, yeah, the fine is. I'm okay with the fine, and I'm okay with having the driver's license removed or revoked if the offenses have to happen. But and I think there's going to reduce the number of offenses, and I think it's going to make us safer for us to drive in California. What are your thoughts on this? Are you for it or are you against it? And I would love to hear from you guys. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.